Every day, organizations struggle to get the benefits out of agile ways of working. Studies show that one of the main reasons for this is that organizations' management continues to lead in an outdated command and control style that simply doesn't fit with agile. Old management habits get in the way of expanding our agile leadership mindsets and getting the full benefits out of our agile transformations. So how can we unlearn our old habits around controlling every aspect of the work and instead give control and involve and engage people to come to better solutions together? How do we give control while staying in control and create the environment where people thrive? A place where we get the real value that Agile can bring. I'm Jenni Jepsen, and I'm looking forward to answering those questions and sharing the principles of intent-based leadership. Learn how we can tie into the power of our brains to expand our Agile leadership mindsets, and find out why involving and engaging people is the key to getting great things done together. I look forward to seeing you.